Greetings, my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube, Facebook, and wherever else this video is being watched. And welcome to my 50th video on this channel. Yes, we've reached a milestone. First, recently it was my 50th, and now actually my 60th subscriber. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but you know, for a channel that I started basically for the hell of it, not bad. But this is my 50th video, and I want to thank you guys for stopping by and enjoying my videos and encouraging me to keep making them. And we got this far. Maybe we'll keep going some more. Another unboxing today, and this box probably looks fairly familiar to a lot of people. The familiar gold colored cardboard box for Zelos, powered by Swiss Automatic Movements. This is an eBay acquisition. This is not from Zelos directly, but this is something I found on eBay that I liked the look of and decided gotta put this one in the collection. This will be my 9th Zelos watch. So let's open her up, see what we got. And these older style boxes can be a little problematic, but there we go. Okay. Because whoever put it back in didn't put the little pull tab facing out. So make sure I do that when we finish. Okay. So we have the Zelos roll. Nice leather roll with the buckle. So we will unbuckle it to see what we have here. Oh yes, of course, my standard disclaimer. Watches are bought by me, for me, with my money. Nobody gave them to me. No watch on this channel has ever been given to me by a manufacturer. They've all been purchased by me for my personal use and enjoyment. Therefore, my opinions are mine. Nobody has fed me information or told me to say something or not say something. So we have the roll. We have, let's see here. We'll get to that one last. Okay, first we have the card. This is an older card, older style. It is serial number 1. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Bought in October of 2017 directly from Zelos. So we have a black leather band, complete with spring bars, genuine leather, which is upside down, genuine leather, with an alligator pattern. It's very stiff, but nice, always nice to have choices. So there's nothing in there, and nothing in there, so this must be why we're here. Da 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 da! The watch. And let's see, what do we have? Well, I know what we have, but you guys are probably wondering, well, what is that? You can't really see it. Well, let's see. First, we see a deploy buckle, which I like that. And we have difficulty. No. We have a Zelos Avant A-2 with its little plastic thing still intact, which is nice, with a skeleton face. Like I said, I picked this one up on eBay, and it's a beauty. Let's see if I can find the serial number. It is serial number 1. of 910. Hang on a minute. Pull out my loop here. Yeah. It says 001/910. So I might have me a collectible here in a few years. What do you think? I'm going to check with Elshin about that. See what he thinks about that. So this one is a steel case instead of the bronze case. Signed crown, as you can see. And the reason I liked this one was because of the skeleton case, the skeleton face. I don't have one of those anywhere in my collection. I do not have any full skeletons. I have one watch that I sort of inherited from my father, which has a partial skeleton case, which I like that one. But this one is my first full skeleton case watch. So, let me give you a few stats on this watch. Well, first of all, it's got the Horween. I never know how to pronounce that word. Somebody tell me how to pronounce it. Horween. I'm going to call it Horween leather. It is very soft. It feels great. I'm going to keep that instead of the black one here because I'm a big fan of these bands, so I'm going to keep that one. And I'll size up that deploy clasp a little later. So the statistics I'm sure you're interested in. It is a 40 millimeter diameter, like that. 40 millimeter around, so it wears pretty good, even on a wrist like mine. It is a 20 mil lug to lug on the band width, or lug width. A lug to lug is usually this width, which I didn't measure. It is 11 millimeters thick, so not as thick as other Zelos watches that I have. So this could be worn in a more quote-unquote dress formal setting. It is a 50 meter water resistance, 316L stainless steel case with a sapphire crystal front and rear. And all of this is holding a Swiss SW200 movement, which you can see moves very nicely and is hackable. Now let's see. Let's run the setting on this watch, see where we are. So the date didn't change, so we must be in the afternoon, and it is roughly there. Give it some winds to energize a little more. Nice and smooth on the winding. And let's change the date to the 16th, which is today, March 16th, 2018. So, love the drop of the lugs, especially here. It looks really nice that they drop away like that. Makes the watch, going to make that watch a very comfortable piece to wear. A bronze colored, what do you call those things? Rotors? Yeah, rotor, weight, whatever. Rotor. I'm still new at this watch thing. You know, I'm trying to learn the terms and all that. And sometimes I make mistakes. And, you know, some folks point them out to me nicely. Some folks, you know, get a little nasty about it. You know. One guy actually asked me on the channel about another video I did. He asked me if I really wore my watches that have screw down crowns, if I really wore them with the crowns not screwed down, because that can strip the threads and so on and so forth. I replied back to him on the channel, and I'll reply back now. No, I don't wear my screw down watches with the crowns unscrewed. That's dumb. Obviously, I don't screw them down when I store them, because I wind my watches and I don't want to keep screwing and unscrewing, and eventually that wears on the threads. And I only screw them down when I wear them. Otherwise, they remain unscrewed so that when I go to wind them, I don't unnecessarily wear out the threads. So, no, I'm not. I'm not a abuser of watches in that way. Oh, notice these. This band has quick releases here and here, so changing this band for something else will be a little easier than normal. I like that. I like the indices in kind of that bronzy color along with the logo. Indices are a little bigger all around, and obviously the at the 6 o'clock position, that's where the date is, and it has that little, it looks like a boomerang kind of thing going there. Very nice. This was a good acquisition for me. I think I'm gonna enjoy wearing that one. I enjoy wearing all my Zelos watches. I wish I could wear them. I wish I could wear two of them, like some folks I know will do watch checks and they'll say, on this wrist I have this, on this wrist. I can't wear. I can't really do that. That's just kind of crazy to me. But this one looks really good, and I'm glad I picked it up. Picked it up for a good price too. So if the seller by any chance stumbles on this channel and stumbles on this video, I want to thank him for working with me and giving me a good price on this watch. So, going to wrap the video up by thanking you for stopping by and watching my 50th video. And I think that's a good milestone for me. And soon, maybe even after this video posts, I'll be over either near or over 10,000 views for all my videos, which that to me is pretty good too. I mean, that says something. These aren't the swankiest or splashiest videos I make, but you know, I appreciate every one of you and every one of those views. So, like and subscribe and leave comments. I answer every comment and welcome all likes and all subscriptions. And I will see you on the next video.